Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make websites like this. We're gonna have this kind of pages. It's gonna be 100% responsive. It's gonna be full SEO ready, and it's gonna be extremely fast. This is what I'm talking about. This is responsiveness. And this is our page speed. So in front of us just installed pure and empty dashboard of our website. If you know how to install website on your hosting, that's great. If you don't know, you can check out my video on how to install your WordPress website on your hosting for the first time in the description below. So let's do it. First of all, we gotta check out our settings and make some changes there. We have to go to settings, permalinks, and put the radio button on post name, then save changes. After that, we go to appearance, themes. Well, or just appearance because it's the same. We have to add new theme, so we push add new theme button and choose popular. The theme that we're looking for is called consulting, so let's install this. After we install this, let's activate and let's work on it. Okay, we've got it in our dashboard, so let's check it. How does it look? So far it looks like this. Already not bad. Will be much better. Go to customize theme, appearance, customize theme, theme options, home page layout, home page featured, header. We gotta put sticky header on. And then go to footer and click on check to disable footer widgets. After all this done, we have to set up some social icons. So let's go to social icons and click on enable social media links. After that, you gotta check every single social media that you want to add to your website. Put the right link, not the abracadabra that I did just right now. And it will be all done. So in my case, I pretend to add Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and some other social networks. After everything's done, we have to click on save and publish changes. So far we have website with our social links. After that, we have to go to pages and clean the default page. Have to delete it permanently and click on the button add new page. So I will name it home page, and just for saving your time and my time, I already have some text, so I'm just gonna paste it in and work on it. And let's do some headings. It's heading 1 for this one, heading 2 for this one, and every single heading will be heading number 2. That's good for SEO. So believe me and do the same. We're gonna type some text right here. You're gonna copy that text, so it's Control C, Control V, and again Control C, Control V, 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 V. Again, headings, and that's pretty much it for now. Oh yeah, and as far as our goal is to make someone go to your contact page and buy something from you, that's why we need to link all these pages to each other, just to make sure that your customer can go through your website and have the right information and solve his or her problem. After we finish with this page, by the way, you can add your own different type of content. We push publish and our page is ready. So then go to settings and reading and select a static page for the home page and click on save changes. Then we're going to refresh our page and here it is. We got it on our home page. Let's go and add some new content. Add more pages. We're gonna create a page called services or products. I call it services or products. You will name it according to what you're offering, services or products. So for the test purpose, we'll leave it as it is. And we'll put another link here. And as always, we have to make sure that our customers will go through all website, so don't be shy to put some links in your text just to make sure your customer will go and will see this. And I don't really like the slug here because it's called services products, like in one word, so we'll divide it by hitting edit and make some changes, and that's about it. And publish the page by clicking publish button. Okay, that's done. Let's create another page. It will be gallery page. Here we will paste some of our photos, or maybe of our office or our product or whatever. In our case, it will be some photos from our so-called little farmer incorporated. Let's do some headings. It will be heading 2 and heading 2 again. Just believe me, it's good for SEO. Add another page. Publish that one. And let's create another one. That will be testimonials page. So we'll paste some text here and you will probably paste yours. It'll be something like Bob said, Kelly said, and again we'll create headings number 2 for both of this and hit the publish. Add new page and it will be contact us page, main page of your website. I'll paste some text right here we will add the Google map somewhere here, and then after that we will put Ninja forms here, but they will be a bit later. Now we have to go to Google Maps, type in our destination. In my case it will be Miami, Florida. In your case it will be your city, your street and office and so on. So you gotta type in your full address, then you gotta click on share button, then you choose embed map, and I'll choose small map because I kinda like it. And then we gotta copy that code and we're gonna paste it into our website. We're gonna switch to text mode and paste our code right in here. Let's switch again to visual mode and we'll see our map right here. Click on publish button and let's check it on our website. Yeah, it's there. Looks pretty good. But we'll do it a bit better. We can play around with width and height of this map. So instead of 400 pixels, I will make it 90% and it will be much wider on my page. So I think that looks better. Our map is nice and big. Okay, now we have our social buttons and our pages right here. So it's time to go to appearance, menus. Gotta set up our menu. We can click on create new menu or just type in our menu name and click on create menu. We're gonna select all our pages and we're gonna add them to our menu by clicking add to menu button. You gotta drag and drop the right pages like you wanna see them on your website. Here on home page, instead of home page, I'll write just home and I'll click on checkbox primary header menu. Then we gotta click on save menu. Okay, let's check it. Refresh our page and here is our menu. Everything looks pretty good. After that, we gotta go to appearance, customize, site identity. Here we can set up our logo. So I'm gonna select my logo. You gotta prepare your own. Then we're gonna crop it. And you gotta make sure that your logo and your pictures is not too big or too small. I recommend you use your logo no higher than 100 pixels. My logo is 90 pixels high, so it's pretty good. We'll crop it and click on save and get rid of this tagline. So we're gonna type in our own tagline, Little Farmers Incorporated. Click on save and publish. Let's check how it looks. It looks pretty good. If we click on that, we will go to the home page, and that's exactly what we want. Okay, let's go again to customize, theme options, home page. Gotta click on image slider and we're gonna set up our slide. Type in your browser web address bfunky.com. That's the photo editor. It's online and it's totally free, so let's check it out. Gotta click on photo editor and upload our picture. In my case, it will be my computer. Click on picture that we want to choose. Click on open. Then we gotta crop it. So we'll click on crop tool. We gotta move the crop tool here and there. How do we like it? Then click on checkbox. OK, apply. Then we're gonna choose resize tool, and then we're gonna resize it to the right size, something around 800 to 1200 pixels. Then click save. I'll save to my computer, and we gotta choose the right format, and the right format is the one that gives you lower image size. In this case, JPEG format will give you 115 kilobytes size, and PNG will be around 7 or even 800 kilobytes. So of course we gotta choose JPEG because it's lighter. Also, we can play around with quality of image. After we're done, click on save and it will be on our computer. In my case, I'll save this picture, but I'm not gonna use it because I have them already in my media gallery. So this was a little note about this tool. You can use it, it's free and it's great. Let's go back to our website and let's do some slides to our homepage. So I'm gonna select the pictures that I've already prepared. It will be the guy with potatoes. Actually, this guy is my son. We'll type title here. It will be best potatoes ever. Of course, you will type your title. Like if you're a dentist, it will be something about dentistry. And if you're a lawyer, it will be something about law. We will link it to our services products page. And by clicking read more, you will go to this page. On the second slide, we'll use photo with humongous fish that my son caught. Choose file, type the title line again. It will be best fish ever in my case, and we'll link it to our services and products as well, but you can choose whatever page you like. Then click save and publish button. We're done with our slider, but we have these 3 blocks with pre-designed homepage layout, and for icon we'll choose, in this example it will be an automobile. I'll type in something like fast delivery. You will be happy. Then add some text and link it to a page. Contact us. Second block will be about money. We'll paste, as icon we'll paste here $, and we'll type in we accept all kinds of payments and credit cards. Add some text here and we'll link it to services and products as well. And for the third block, we'll use, as icon, we'll use thumbs up button, and it will go to testimonials. We'll link it to testimonial page, and it will be okay. After that, don't forget to click on Save and Publish button, and make sure that you're turned on pre-made home page. Refresh the page, and we will see that we've got a letter here because it's not equal. These blocks are not equal. You've got 2 lines here and there, 1 line here, and 3 lines here. So what we gotta do is we gotta edit our text in these blocks just to make sure they look good and equal. We'll get rid of this part of text and we'll add some text in the title line in first block. Oop, that's not enough. So paste 100% sure. Yeah, that's much better. Click on Save and Publish button. Refresh our page. Everything is nice and clean. That's exactly what we want to see. And if we'll go to our theme customizing page and go back to our slider, we can play around with maximum height of our slider. We can manually type it in. For example, if we'll paste 400 pixels in here and click Save and Publish, then refresh our page, our slider will be smaller. If we'll type in 600 pixels and click Save and Publish and refresh our page, slider will become bigger, much bigger. By default, it's set up to 500 pixels, so you can type in 500 pixels, okay, or you can leave it blank. Click Save, refresh page. By default, it will be 500 pixels exactly. Let's go back to our editor and play around with CSS. Let's go to Appearance Editor and make sure that file style.css is clicked. In this file, we're looking for slider featured title span. This exactly line. You can find this line in the description below. All you gotta do is go to style.css file in Appearance Editor, press Ctrl F and paste it right here. You will find 2 lines in this file and you need the very first one. We gotta make some changes here, and our fonts on the first page, on the home page, will be much bigger and much cooler. So we'll change that. We'll change font size to something around 80 and font weight will be about 700. It will be much bigger and it will look much cooler. So we gotta change 48 pixels to 80 pixels in my case and 400 to 700. That's about it. Then click Update File, refresh page, and here we are. It looks great and awesome. Now let's make some changes in our home page. I want it to be in center, so we do like so. Update, and everything is cool. Now let's get rid of this empty space. We don't like to lose the space on our website, so let's get rid of it. Let's go to Customize, Additional CSS. All you gotta do is you gotta take this line in the description below and paste it right here. And this intro block will disappear. That's exactly what we want. Click Save and Publish, refresh your page, and as you can see, this intro part gone. That's good. But what's not good is that we have a lot of space underneath the footer. So we gotta paste some text on our pages just to make it nice. So let's copy that text, put some headers here and there, and everything will be okay. Heading 2 for our heading. Let's add another one. Our great services and our great products. Heading 2 again. Copy that and paste it. Okay. Just for test purpose, we'll leave it as it is. Let's fix our testimonials page. We'll just copy that, paste that. Let's add some photos. Add media. Here is our little guy with his testimonials. Let's copy that text, make it bigger, paste it here and there, just to make sure that everything looks good. Add media again. Choose our picture. Make an alignment. And paste another one. Again, alignment. Paste some text right here. And that will be alright. Update page. Now let's go check it. Everything's cool right here. So it's time to paste some pictures here. You can paste in all kinds of media that you wish, but I would recommend you to ask people that you're placing in your testimonials if you can use their pictures and their testimonials actually. Now let's add some plugins. So we click on plugins button and we delete all the plugins that was installed by default. It's Xmlrpc and Hello. The plugin that we are searching for is called Photo Gallery. So we click on add new button and type in Photo Gallery. Here it is. It got more than 300 active installs and it was made by Photo Gallery team. So make sure you're installing the right plugin. Click on install now. When it's installed, you want to activate it by clicking activate button. So we've got now our plugin. Click on Photo Gallery on your dashboard, click skip here, and again on your bar in your dashboard click add galleries and images. Here we will click on add new button and name our gallery. In my case it will be gallery 1. Slug is the name that will appear in URL. It will be gallery as well. And after that we want to add some pictures. You can add some pictures from your computer by clicking add images. I'm not gonna do this because I already have them, and if you have them already in your media library, you can click on import from media library. That's what I'm gonna do. If you want to choose more than one image, press Control or Command if you're on Mac and click on the images that you want. So I'm choosing my pictures, click on Insert, and they are in my gallery now. So you probably want to rename your alt and titles for your pictures, especially if it's something that will be good for SEO, like you can paste some keywords there. In my case it will be something like farm, potatoes, fish, organic vegetables, and so on. If you're a dentist, it will be something like our dentist office, and so on. I'm not gonna do for every picture. You got the point. After that, we click on Save Gallery, and our gallery will be saved. Again, save on gallery. That's about it. We have our gallery. And this ID gallery is 1 because it's first one. So we're gonna paste the gallery number 1 in our post. Go to gallery page and you can insert your gallery in any place on this page. I will paste it right here by clicking insert gallery. You gotta choose your gallery name. It's gallery. Sort image by default. You can choose all kinds of things here. You can play it around later. I'll leave as it is. Maximum number of images in column 5, images per page, image title, image thumbnail dimensions. You can change it later. Duration between slides is 5 seconds. We'll choose gallery as thumbnails. You can change it if you wish a bit later. Click on insert, click on update, and let's check this out. Here is our gallery page. Looks pretty good already. It's clickable. You can click on that and wait for autoplay. And I think 5 seconds is too long. You have to wait too long. And this information button, I don't think we need this here because I don't want these abracadabra shows. So I'm gonna change that. You gotta click on this icon and we'll change the interval between slides. I'm gonna paste 3 seconds and display info by default, and enable info button will say no. Update again. Let's check this out. Okay, we don't have this info button. We can make it full screen. It looks pretty good. But I think I'm gonna fix one more thing. I don't like it. I don't like 5 pictures in a row and 1 underneath. I think we'll make like 2 rows. So I'm gonna choose maximum number of images. I'll put 3, then update, refresh the page, and here we are. Now we've got nice little gallery. You can put as many pictures as you want, and you can paste as many galleries as you want on the page also. Let's add some pictures on our home page, because this looks quite boring for now. We're gonna paste some text for titles and alternative text. I'm gonna make it the same. It's not a big deal. Click on update. Here you can add some links to your about page if you have it. I don't have it, so I'll pretend that I'll paste some links on my other pages. Click on services. Now link on testimonials. And of course the contact page. Okay, everything looks good. Now click update button and let's check it. Yes, we've got these links. We can go through them, and that's good. Everything is working. That's great. Let's add some links here as well. This is all about, you gotta link your pages between each other just to make sure that your potential customer will see every single page on your website, and then he'll go to contact page and he will call you and he'll become your customer. Actually customer, not potential customer. That's the whole point. That's the whole thing. Let's link our testimonial page to our contact page again. Let's paste some text here. Let's type some text here. Visit our shop and make a link here to contact us. Add link, update, check it. Okay, everything is great. The same thing with gallery page. You can paste some links here and there. It's always good. Sorry about this now. Update, view page. Okay, everything is all right here. And finally, contact us page. Everything is good here. Okay, let's add another plugin, and the plugin that we want called Ninja Forms. So let's go to plugin, add new plugin, and type in Ninja Forms. Here it is. It's called Ninja Forms. Almost 1 million active installs, and it's made by the WP Ninjas. Click on install. After plugin installed, click on activate. In your dashboard, click on Ninja Forms, and here you wanna click on contact me. Here I wanna make message field not required, so uncheck the required field thing click on done button, and we're done. And I'm gonna add one more thing just to make sure that spammers won't get you. It's called anti-spam block. So we just drag and drop in our form, click on this thing again to make some changes, and the question that we're gonna use, it will be the math question. We'll ask somebody, if you're not a spammer, please count how much will it be 7 plus 8, and I will write down this way 7 like the number, and then I'll write down plus as a word and 8 right after that, just to make sure that spam robots don't understand what I mean. The answer will be 15. So let's type in 15, click on done button, and click on publish button. And that's about it. Our form is done. Publish button, close, and go to our contact page to paste this nice form into this page. And we're gonna paste it somewhere below the map. I think in my case it will be okay. In your case you might want to put it somewhere else. I'll write down, or you can contact us via our address, email, Google Maps, or send us your quote. And here is our form. Add form. In drop down menu you're gonna click on contact me, ID1. That's the only form that I've got. Insert, update the page. Let's check the page. And here it is. We actually have it. And I want to get rid of this contact me heading because it doesn't fit me. To make this, I'm gonna go to plugin page. I'm gonna click on contact me again in Ninja Forms plugin, and I'm gonna go to advanced field. Then you're gonna click on display settings, and here we've got the field called display form title, and I want to uncheck it. Click on done, click on publish again, close this page, go to my contact page, refresh it, and this contact me heading disappeared. That's exactly what I wanted. Also, I want to give heading for this, or send us a quote sentence. Update page again. View the page. Yes, it is heading now. So let's try to paste something in our form. I'll type in all kinds of abracadabra just for test purpose. And let's try to give a wrong answer. Everything looks good. Everything works good, and this is how we can see if someone has sent this form to us. We can go to plugin page, Ninja Forms in your dashboard, and we click on submissions. We're gonna select contact me because it's the only form that we've got, and here it is. We can see that someone with this name and this email and this message wrote us a letter. Isn't this cool? So that's about it with our contact page. It's already looks good. Our website is almost done. We gotta make some little things. Okay, so if we go to our service and products page and we look at the code, we can see here the title of our page is Services Products TGM Web Guru. And to change that, we're gonna use the Yoast plugin. So go to plugins, add new, Yoast. This is Yoast SEO plugin that we wanna use. Click install, click activate. In your dashboard bar on the left side you can see the new icon is SEO, and we want to go to our home page because it's already configured the way we want it. So let's go to our home page and make it SEO friendly. So underneath our content area, we have this block called Yoast SEO, and here is the magic. We're gonna click on the name of our home page and the new SEO title will appear, and here we want to type in something that we're doing, something that our website is about. As far as we're Little Farmers Incorporated, the title will be Best Potatoes in Miami, Florida, because the basic rule of your SEO friendly title is this: your keyword, what you're doing, and your destination. Like if you're dentist in New York, you're gonna type in best dentist in New York, your dentistry name, and so on and so forth. The same thing with meta description. You gotta make sure that you have keywords there, and you gotta make sure that this is the sentence with dot in the end. Now in our title we can see nice SEO friendly sentence, and also we can see nice SEO friendly sentence in our description. We're Little Farmers Incorporated. Okay, so we gotta make sure that we've got this kind of description and titles on every single page on our website, and we'll do another title and description for our contact us page, and that will be enough for our test purpose. You gotta make sure that you have this kind of SEO friendly descriptions and titles on every single page. And remember, SEO titles and meta descriptions cannot be the same on different pages. It's a restriction. It's prohibited. It has to be different on every single page of your website. Just remember that. Okay, on our contact page we have nice SEO friendly title, and that's great. You gotta make sure you will do the same for every second page. And now it's time for another great WordPress plugin. It is called WordPress Robots.txt. It was made by Atalghani. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken. It's about 10,000 active installs. After we install this plugin by clicking install and then activate, we go to settings on our dashboard and we go to reading. In this reading block, in the end of this block, we have robots.txt file with text. So what we're gonna do is we gotta copy the text for robots.txt in our description below, and we're gonna paste it right here. That's about it, because this robots.txt with only 2 lines is not good. So we've got here all kinds of nice things to make Google love our website. Believe me, it is working. And it's working great. Now, if we type in after our domain name /robots.txt, we have this great file here. And Google will love us for this file. Believe me. The next plugin that we want to install is also for SEO purpose. It's called Sitemap XML. Actually, it's called Google XML Sitemaps. It have more than 1 million active installs from Ernie Brundthold. I'm sorry if I may spell it right. So as always, we gotta install that and activate it. And then we go to settings again on our dashboard, and we got here XML sitemap. Gotta make sure that all these checkboxes are checked, and that's about it. Go to the bottom of this page and click on update. Now if we type in /sitemap XML, we'll have this great sitemap XML page. And also, if we'll go to Robots.txt, we'll find out on the end of this file we have a line called sitemap, and that's great. The next we'll have to deal with this space on our home page. It's too big. We don't want to lose any space on our website. That's why we're gonna fix this issue. Let's go to Appearance, Editor, at style.css file. In the description below, you will find the exact line that you want to search for. All you gotta do is make sure your style.css file is clicked, press Ctrl F, and paste in this line, section dash home dash inner, and all you have to do is change 40 pixels instead of 60 and 10 pixels instead of 40 pixels. Next, what we're gonna do is we'll search for content. We got 21 case in this file, but we need third case where it said clear content, clear both, margin 0, padding 60 pixels, 10 pixels, and 30 pixels. All you gotta do is change 60 pixels to 0 pixels. Update file. That's about it. Refresh page. Here we are. Everything is nice and clear. No more losing space. And the last thing that we want to fix is this line in footer. We're gonna change it to our text. Let's go to the footer.php file. It's appearance, editor, footer.php. Click on that, and here you want to find the div class called copyright, and between two divs you want to paste the text that you will find in the description below. Just copy the code and paste your own text, just like I do right now. Instead of Little Farmers Incorporated blah blah blah, you paste your own text. After that, click on update file, and we're all set. Update page. Here we are. We've got our text here, and we've got even our phone number. So all we gotta do is to change the color because it's too pale. So let's go to our CSS file again, and all we want to do is to change the color. Go again to appearance, editor, style.css file, and we're searching for sub-footer. All we want to do is we want to change the font size from 12 pixels to 15 pixels. And then we want to change the color. I chose the color for my footer, and now what we're gonna do is go to style CSS file and change here sub-footer color. All we gotta do is mark this one and paste it, the color that we wanted, mark this and paste here, then update file, and that's pretty much it. We have to go to our page again, update it, and everything looks good. Okay, we're about to finish our website. We've got our pages. It looks pretty good. I mean, maybe it's not the best website ever, but for less than 1 hour, that's pretty good. That will work for almost every local business. I mean, small local business. So let's go to our responsiveness and check it. As you can see, everything is fine right here. Everything looks good. Every page is clickable. We have slider. It's working well. Everything looks correct. Our menu working great. testimonials, looking good, as well as our gallery. Here is our gallery. You can click on these images. You can play around with them. Everything works great. So I think we did a pretty good job. If you think so too, then push thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Every week I'll be posting a new video about how to make websites. Here is our Page Speed Insights tool from Google, and as you can see, we have pretty good results on mobile devices and great results on desktop, and that's because we did pretty good job on optimizing images and we have great hosting. And for great hosting, go and check out my link in the description below, because I frankly think that this hosting is the best one, and I definitely recommend you go there and check this out, because on my link you'll have a good discount, so you definitely want to check the link in the description below. That's pretty much it, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via my email or in the comments box below. Hope you well, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.